Step 1. Ensure the pressure gauge is in the green zone, indicating sufficient pressure, and check for any physical damage on the extinguisher. Step 2. Identify the metal safety pin near the handle, which is crucial for preventing unintended discharge of the extinguisher. Step 3. Firmly grasp the safety pin ring and pull it out to disable the mechanism that prevents accidental discharge, enabling use. Step 4. Aim the black hose and nozzle directly at the fire's base to effectively target and extinguish the source of the flames. Step 5. Firmly press the top handle or lever to activate the extinguisher, releasing the extinguishing agent to combat the fire. Step 6. Sweep the nozzle side to side at the fire's base to cover the area evenly, ensuring complete extinguishment. That was the final step.